Hi, welcome back. So today's video, I am so excited because I am trying acrylic for the first time, and I always love watching acrylic nail videos. So last month I decided to purchase already, and I got this one from Kiara. So this is their build your own acrylic kit, and you have a choice of 3 colors, and the other one I think is like a clear or the natural one. So I got 3 colors, mostly are the neutrals, and then I picked clear because we always need clear, and then I just got a one glitter, and then the other one is like a shimmery pink color. So this kit retails for around $146, and you will be getting almost all the things that you need when you do like acrylic set. And all of these jars are 2 ounce in size, so you'll be getting a lot of products. And this is their all-in-one powder, which means you can use it with monomer, and you can also use it with dip liquids. So speaking of the monomer, this one is their EMA or EMA monomer. I don't know how to say that, but it comes in this nice box, and it is actually big, and I love that this is the non-MMA monomer. Then the size is also pretty decent. You'll be getting 16 fluid ounces of monomer, which is really nice. And then next thing that came in the kit is this Kiara Sky buffing block, and it comes with 10 pieces of 80-100 buffing block, and I really love color pink buffers. So yeah, next one is this Kiara Sky hand file. It is their 100/100 grit hand file. So it comes with 2 pieces of that, and you will also be getting their non-wipe gel top coat. This kit is really almost complete, and you can use this to start your acrylic journey. That's why I chose this set. And you will also be getting a cuticle oil, and I chose this one. This is the rose scent. You can actually choose between 3 scents. The one is like lavender, and the other one I forgot, but I got this rose one. And yeah, lastly, this is their Kolinsky 100% Kolinsky brush. So this is their acrylic brush that they launched recently, and I am so excited about this one because look at the packaging, you guys, and that handle is just super stunning. And I got the size in number 10 because I'm not really sure what size is the best, so I just got size 10. So yeah, that's pretty much what's included in the full acrylic set from Kiara, and I will be using this practice hand to apply the acrylic since I am not yet sure, and this is my first time, so I don't want to apply it on my nails first. So I already applied the full coverage tip on this practice hand, and I did that off cam, and I used this tip. Don't worry, I'll be putting all the products that I'll be using in the description box below. So first, let me just rough or remove the shine of the tip using this Triple D e-file, and I'm just using a smooth sanding band. So this is after I remove all the shine of the tips. So now let's begin with the application. So before that, I will be applying these Chisel nail art like drops, liquid smell drops. So this product claims to like remove the odor of the monomer because the monomer really smells strong. And I already tried the monomer last month, and our house literally smelled so bad. So I have to like research and look for things that I can do to like remove the bad smell or the strong smell. So the instructions said apply 2 drops of that Chisel drops. So it has a strong cherry scent, so it's like more of masking the scent or the bad odor of the monomer. So I still smell the strong odor of monomer, so I decided to add 2 more drops, and let's see. So before that, I am just going to prep this brush, and I will also use it to like mix the monomer and the chisel drops. So I will update you guys. So far, while I am doing this process, the smell is actually lesser. So it's more of a cherry scent now. It's not like a super strong scent of monomer. So I will be using pink and polish first. This is like a light pink with some silver shimmer into it. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it is super gorgeous. So I'm just going to dump my brush, drain it a little bit, and try to grab a bead. So again, just a disclaimer guys, this is my first time and I am not unexperienced when it comes to acrylic, so it is definitely a learning curve for me, but I am so excited to finally try it. So as you can see, I am really struggling because I really don't know what's the ratio, the perfect ratio for the powder and monomer. But as you can see, it's really super dry. So I am going to try it again. And yeah, please don't judge me because I am just into like learning a lot of new things. I love learning new stuffs, and acrylic is number one on my list, and I really wanted to try this for so long now. So yeah, as you can see, on my second attempt I was able to grab a nice bead. I am just trying my best to spread it, and I actually just keep on watching a lot of videos. I actually tried once on swatch stick to like have a feel on how to do it, but it was completely disaster. The smell of the monomer really got into me and it caused some headache, so I have to stop immediately, and our house really smelled awful, so I really have to take time and do some research first. So this is actually my first time to do like a full acrylic set. The chisel drops actually helped. It minimizes the strong odor of the monomer, but don't get me wrong guys, the smell of the monomer is still there, but it is not super overpowering, and it's actually bearable. The smell is bearable, which makes me continue doing this. So I will be putting the link of where I bought the chisel drops. So I actually bought it from the store itself. It's from a local nail supply store, but I believe they have website and they ship, so you can also check it out if you are planning also to do like acrylic set. So this is my first attempt on this pointer finger. It's actually not perfect, but I think it's working. So I am just going to get some more bead and apply it on those areas near the cuticle. So I got a bead and I am not sure if this is a right consistency, but I think it's a bit liquidy. But I am just like trying my best to fade it and spread it on the cuticle area. So I got another bead because the side is a bit uneven. So I'm just going to concentrate it there and kind of diffuse and spread it. So the videos that I've watched, they only like use 2 to 3 beads and the whole nail is already covered, which is of course not yet on my level. I am just starting slowly and kind of building up the foundation of the nail. So after how many years, this is how it looks like now. It's not perfect, but I will just try to file that off later. And I'm now moving on to the glitter. This is Pretty Things, and I will apply this on the ring finger. So again, I am grabbing some bead, and as you can see, it's actually improving. I am really happy because I am slowly getting in there, but I'm not saying that I am already like expert. So at least my bead is no longer super dry, because when you like drain a lot of monomer before you pick up the powder, it becomes super dry and crumbly. It won't attach to the nail. So I am already like starting to know how, but again, I am not saying that I am an expert. I am just a beginner and trying my best to learn acrylic. So yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch, and I will be back. So this is after I applied the glitter on this nail. I really love this glitter. It is really super stunning. So I'm now going to move on with the middle finger. So as you can see, I am using the light pink again, and just don't mind the glitter because while I was doing the set, I really don't have like a specific design in my mind. I am just going in with the flow, and I decided to like do an ombre of this light pink and the glitter. So now I'm going to start with the glitter and the ombre, and I'm just putting the glitter on the half part of the nail, and we'll start to like spread it and fade it in the center. So I'm not really sure what I'm doing, but I am just diffusing this glitter. Okay, so far I really love how that nail looks like. So I am now going to clear encapsulate all of it with this clear, and yeah, I'll be back. So this is after I applied clear on all of the fingers. So I am just going to file and shape these nails off cam because it's a bit hard to do it while recording. So this is after I did the filing and shaping. So far, I am really loving the look of this set. So I also did an ombre on the thumb. So now I am just going to wipe off the surface with some alcohol and lint-free wipes. And I am now going to apply top coat. So without curing, I'm just going to add some blings. This one is from Kiara Sky as well. So I'm just going to add it to those fingers that doesn't have any glitters, just to add some accent. And after applying all those gems, I am now going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So after curing, this is now the final look. So this is my first ever full acrylic set. I really love the outcome. It is not perfect, but I definitely enjoy the process. So thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys!